I am sure I thought is that it is unfortunate for anybody who aspires to lead this country and for somebody who is a deputy president of the outgoing government to break the laws of the country. Our Political Parties Act, under which coalitions are built, stipulates very clearly that anybody leaving a coalition, there is a process. So for the deputy president to start wooing people, enticing them to leave a coalition without the requisite legal provisions, it's either a display of impunity or gross ignorance of the law of the land. Knowing him, his true colors are showing. Lack of respect for the rule of law and a deficit of democracy in his actions in Kenya and under our constitution. The presumptive winner of a presidential race, even though declared, is never sworn in until either the time for filing a petition is over and no petition is filed, or a petition is filed and determined first. Those who may remember, Uhuru Kenyatta was not sworn in until after the petition in 2013 and even in 2017. And after the petition, there was a repeat election. So it is premature for somebody to start trying to disorganize political parties illegally and lawfully. And I would urge that Kenyans and members concerned be warned, and I would urge the deputy president of an outgoing government to acquaint himself with the laws of the land or ask his advisors for better advice. Let me say this, when we hear it from them, because we've been hearing from the deputy president and his people, when it is actualized, the law will take its course. So we are not calling out anybody. Today I'm calling out the deputy president of the outgoing government.